What's your name?
My full name is Mohammad Saifuzzaman Khan. You can call me Saif.
May I have your identity?
Sure.
Okay, thank you. That's a nice passport. So please take it back.
Thank you.
So we are here for your speaking test. We will conduct the test in 3 parts.
Okay.
So let's start part 1. Do you work or study?
Currently, I'm working. I'm working in a private organization named Toma Gas Company Limited. I'm working here for 3 years, and I'm working here as an assistant manager in administration department.
Where do you live?
I born and grown up in Pabna, but currently I'm living in Dhaka, Mirpur to be more exact.
What is the most interesting part of your hometown?
The most interesting part of my hometown, I should say, there is a park beside my hometown, and I usually go there. I used to go there for morning walking.
Did you ever live in the countryside?
Yes, I lived in my countryside since I was child. I have mentioned already. I born and grown up in Pabna. It was also a countryside, and I completed my primary and secondary school from there.
Do you like living in the city or in the countryside more?
I love to live in a city because there are plethora of advantages to live in city. There are lots of educational institutions, also modern hospitals, shopping malls. Also, the transportation system is good enough.
What do you like about living in the countryside?
Oh, the natural beauty. I mostly like the natural beauty of countryside because I lived there. There was a river beside my hometown, and I like to go there, and I like to enjoy the scenery of the bank of the river.
Okay, let's talk about fish. Do you like eating fish?
Yes, I love to eat fish, and hilsa fish is my favorite fish because it tastes different than any other fish.
Is it easy to buy fish in your area where you live?
Yes, it is easy to buy fish because there is a fish market nearby my home, and it is 5 minutes walking distance from my home. So it is easy to buy.
Is fishing popular in your country?
Yes, fishing is popular in our country because Bangladesh has lots of rivers, and there are lots of fishers in our area. So fishing is very much interesting and popular.
Do you know any good fishing spot?
Inside the Dhaka city, I know the fishing spot that is most popular, and it is Dhanmondi Lake. But
How do you know
in
it?
my
How do you know it?
okay, actually my university was beside that campus, and one day I visited there, and I saw that there are lots of peoples there enjoying fishing there. That's how I know that.
Would you like to keep fish as pets?
Actually, I don't like to keep fish at pets because they need 24 by 7. They need to take care 24 by 7, but I don't have much time to take care of them. I love them, but though I don't have any time to take care of them, that's why I don't like to pet as fish as pets.
Okay, let's talk about public transportation. Do people in your country use public transportation a lot?
Yes, in my country, there are lots of people using public transportation because public transportation is available in our country, and there are region because price is cheaper than any other transport. So public transport is popular, and people like to use public transport.
Do you prefer using public transportation?
Yes, I prefer public
Why?
transportation, and it depends on situation. There are lots of reasons because it's much cheaper than any other transport, and easy to move one area to another area, and uh, that's that's.
Do you use public transportation more now than in the past?
Actually, not. I often use. I have a bike, so I ride my bike to go to office or any other places. But in the past time, I used to go to office or any other places by public transport.
What would you do to improve public transportation system in your locality?
In my locality, first of all, our road should be improved, and public transport, there are few things that I want to improve. That is, I want to train the driver, because the public transport is run by driver. So if they are got skill about how to drive or how to follow the traffic rules, that would be better, I think.
Okay, thank you. That is the end of your part one. Here you have the part two, the Q cut question. You had 1 minute to
Okay.
take notes. Your preparation time starts. Please take notes.
Well, I love to play football since my childhood, and I could remember that when I was in class 5, my school authority arranged a game, and that is football, and it was happened just after the finishing of our class, and at that time I joined in that game, and I used to play football as left back, and it was actually happened in our school field, and uh, we had to play with our juniors, like we were in the class 5, and we had to play with our juniors, they were in the class 4, and in the 90 minutes of playing, I scored a goal. After that game, we won the game, and I got a award, and I got a medal as a uh, man of the match. I were a man of the match at that match, and when I received the medal, I felt so happy, and I was crying because I never get an award in my life. That was the first award that I got in my life and childhood. Then I was waiting when I can go home, and I was eager to tell my mother that I won a medal, and we won the football match. That's how I got this medal, and it was so precious to me, and I kept the medal on my study room. Still, this medal is with me, and when I saw it, I feel proud that I received a prize in my childhood.
Okay, thank you. Who was the first person to know about the prize?
Uh, uh, the first person to know about the prize in my family, that was my mother, because after finishing the game, and after getting the medal, I ran to my mother and I told her about the prize, and
Other than
he
family,
appreciated me.
who was the first person to know about the prize?
It was my friend. It was my friend. It was my bosom friend, and his name is Sabbir. He was with me all the time. Though he didn't play, but he was with me, and he know fast. I that I received a medal.
Okay, thank you. That is the end of your part 2, the cue card session. Let's continue with part 3. Is it important to give prizes at school?
Yes, I think it is important to give prize because it appreciates the individuals, especially the childrens. When we win any race, or when we win any game or in school activities, so someone supposed to give a prize because it appreciate the children very much.
Different companies are inviting their customers to participate in competitions. Why do they do that?
Oh, basically they do that for their marketing campaign because they like to invite people for participating different types of game, and through that they advertise their product.
Is it a positive or negative thing?
In I think in the organization perspective, it is a positive thing. Also, customers view it's a positive thing because we come to know that about their products, the advantage about their products, and if they're new products or new technology. So we come to know that its advantages. So I think it's important.
At present, we can see that not only the children but also the adults are participating in different kinds of competition. Should adults participate in competitions?
Yes, I think adults also supposed to participate in
Why do
competitions.
you think so?
Because adults they sometimes feel bored, or sometimes they feel stressed, so to reduce stress or to reduce monotonousness, they should participate in any game, or it keeps their health and mind fresh, I think.
Okay, thank you. There is the end of your test. আগের টেস্টগুলোর তুলনায় আজকের টেস্টে আপনার ফ্লুয়েন্সিটা তুলনামূলক ভালো, তবে একটা জিনিস আপনাকে কমাইতে হবে, সেটা হচ্ছে আননেসেসারি ইনফরমেশন প্রোভাইড করতেছেন। একটা কোশ্চেন যখন আপনাকে করা হচ্ছে, ওই কোশ্চেনটার সাথে সর্বোচ্চ হোয়াই অথবা হাউ দিয়ে আপনি অ্যান্সার করবেন। আদারওয়াইজ কোশ্চেনটার আননেসেসারি এক্সপানশন বন্ধ রাখবেন। গ্রামাটিক্যাল মিস্টেক বেশ ভালোভাবেই আছে। আপনি যদি আপনার নিজের বক্তব্য শোনেন, বেশ অনেকগুলো জায়গায় এস এর উচ্চারণ বাড়তিছে, শব্দ যেটা গ্রামারে নাই, ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজে নাই, এরকম কিছু শব্দ আসতেছে। দো মাই ফ্রেন্ড ওয়াজ উইথ মি, হি নোড, হি নোড, নোট শব্দটা নাই, নিউ হওয়ার কথা।
নিউ।
আচ্ছা, বোজম ফ্রেন্ড, বোজম ফ্রেন্ড শব্দটা আমার জানা মতে এটা ইনফর্মাল, গো ফর ফর্মাল ওয়ান, মাই ক্লোজেস্ট ফ্রেন্ড। প্রেজেন্ট এবং পাস্টের একটু মিক্সচার আছে। যখন আপনি চাইল্ডহুডের মেডালটার কথা বলতেছেন, প্রাইজটার কথা বলতেছেন, আই নেভার গেট এনি সাচ প্রাইজ বিফোর, হওয়ার কথা গট। আননেসেসারিলি অ্যাক্টিভ প্যাসিভের একটা ইস্যু আছে। ইট ওয়াজ হ্যাপেন্ড হোয়েন আই ওয়াজ ইন ক্লাস 5, ইট ওয়াজ হ্যাপেন্ড, খেলাটা ওয়াজ হ্যাপেন্ড হওয়ার কথা না, খেলা নিজেই হয়েছে, তার মানে হচ্ছে ইট হ্যাপেন্ড, এরকম একটা বিষয় থাকার কথা। এ লটস অফ বলতেছেন, আবার যখন এ বাদ দিচ্ছেন তখন শুধু লট অফ বলতেছেন, এই বিষয়টা খেয়াল রাখতে হবে। এ লট অফ অথবা শুধু লটস অফ। লটস অফ এর পরে রিজন ব্যবহার করতেছেন, অ্যাডভান্টেজ ব্যবহার করতেছেন, সবগুলোই সিঙ্গুলার, প্লেথোরা অফ অ্যাডভান্টেজ, এরকম কিছু বিষয় আছে। পিপলের সাথে এস, এটা এখনো দু এক জায়গায় চলে আসতেছে। টেক কেয়ারের পরে অফ হওয়ার কথা। ওই ফিশকে যখন পেট হিসেবে ব্যবহার করতেছিলেন তখন এই বিষয়টা আছে, টেক কেয়ারের পরে অফ আসে নাই।
আচ্ছা,
ওভারঅল আপনার স্কোরটা আমি যদিও দিয়ে দিছি আপনার জুমে, তারপরে একটু বলে দেই আপনার আননেসেসারিলি এক্সেস এটা খানকে ডিস্ট্র্যাক্ট করে এই অডিয়েন্সকে, এই কারণে ওখানে আপনার ফ্লুয়েন্সি এবং কোহেরেন্স এই ফিল্ডে 6, ভোকাবুলারি যে পরিমাণ ব্যবহার করছেন সে অনুযায়ী আপনার ভোকাবুলারি লেভেলটা 6, গ্রামাটিক্যাল মিস্টেক বেশ অনেকগুলোই আছে বিভিন্ন পয়েন্টে, বিভিন্ন ধরনের কোশ্চেন সেন্টেন্স মেকিং এ। সো গ্রামাটিক্যাল এসপেক্টে আপনার স্কোর 5.5 এবং প্রোনাউন্সিয়েশন মোটামুটি ভালো ছিল, দু এক জায়গায় সামান্য কিছু ছোটখাটো ভুল ছাড়া, এখানে হচ্ছে 6, ওভারঅল 6। ওকে,
ঠিক আছে, জি।
ওকে।